This might just be the best burger I've ever eaten. It's so basic, but this is proof you don't always need to mess about too much to create incredible tasting food. Don't worry, the full recipe is down in the caption. The key to this recipe is to get the best quality minced beef your budget will allow. I actually go to my local butchers and ask them to pop some chuck steak through the mincer for me. This not only has incredible flavour, but also a perfect fat to meat ratio. Pop your balls onto a screaming hot skillet or flat top on the barbecue, then smash down until lovely and thin. The key to this is to get a beautiful crust, and it needs no more seasoning than just a pinch of salt and pepper. Flip over, then lay on a couple of slices of cheese. Now I know I get a bit of hate for this, but to be honest, I love a slice of processed cheese in my burger. Stack up into a double patty, then pop on the bun lid. I like to serve mine simply with onion, ketchup and mustard. And whilst the missus loves gherkins, as far as I'm concerned, they can get in the bin. Make sure to like and hit that follow button for more recipes, and also go and check out my brand new website. Bangin'!